by saying you're a couple of years too late. Well, not the reunion that I was planning on, but now I'm back to give my regards and keep my faith. Let go of them words that you've been hanging on. I've been setting fire to my bed sheets. Don't you twist your tongue just to protect me. Just scream Mayday, we're going down. Darling, you've had my head in quite the wreck. When I deceived you with false virtue, but now I'm sitting here like a gambler in his debt, counting all the ways that I would hurt you. I've been setting fire to my bed sheets. Don't you twist your tongue just to protect me. I've been setting fire to my bed sheets. Don't you twist your tongue just to protect me. Just scream Mayday, we're going down.